Okay, so we've taken apart the cable loop, and we've got just the head. We've got the two grub screws for the top. We've got the other one in there as well, but you only have to loosen that one off. These two you can take off just 'cause it's a little bit easier. And then we've got the cable as well. So to start off, get the cable. And this is kind of the main bit you need to get right, otherwise you've got a possibility of the loop coming out of the head. So start off by putting this one in line with the holes up here, so make sure it goes up like that. So, and you want to get the halfway point, so it's easier if you grab both ends of these and then pull like that, and then you've got half and half then. So once you've got these two ends, it's a bit easy now, so you put it into here, so push them up. This can be a little tough, so just give it a good yank and it will go through. Pull them through there. So now you're basically halfway through. And now what you're left with is these two ends here. You've got the two loops already on either side there. So you get this loop, you get this side, the side one, and you'll put it through the same hole as you did through that bit. And if you see through this grub screw hole here, this is why I took the grub screw out earlier, you can actually see the end of that in there. So that's where you need to do that one up later on to tighten that down. And then the same again this side. Push it in here. And again, you can see that it's gone through there, and you know it's not going to disconnect when you're sweeping it, and it won't come apart then. So now it's nice and easy, just put it all together. Tighten all the grub screws up really tight. We'll start with the bottom one, so it pushes all the pressure up to the top grub screws. And then we'll do the top ones. And that's that one. And then you're ready to go again.